you're part of an organization that uses Microsoft 365, the person who controls your admin center probably will need to add AccountingBi's Excel Add-in at an organizational level. So all they need to do is go down to integrated apps. They can find AccountingBi on the App Store. Once they've selected AccountingBi, they can go edit users, and they can check whether or not it's just them or the entire organization, or they can start to assign specific users within your organization. In this case, I'm just going to leave it as entire organization. When the underlying user then goes into their Microsoft 365 account, they can click on an Excel report, open it up. All users within the organization should then, once they go into Home, go Add-ins, they should then see AccountingBi appear there, and they can select it, and then the AccountingBi app Excel Add-in should start working from there. Another thing to note is obviously troubleshooting issues within Excel desktop. It should appear within Excel desktop. If it does not appear within Excel desktop, under the Home tab, it should appear here, or it should appear within the Add-in section when it's selected. If it doesn't appear, it may be the case that the Excel file itself or your desktop application has not been signed in and linked to your Microsoft 365 organization. So what you'll need to do is actually sign into that Microsoft 365 organization to ensure that you can see the Excel Add-in appear in your Excel desktop.